individuals in Salesforce Data 360. Individual is one of the standard data model object. The category of individual is profile category. Individuals hold profile data of customers. So we get various kinds of data within Data 360 like profile data, for example, leads, contacts, subscribers. We also get engagement data like opens, clicks, number of cases, and other categories of data like visits, etc. etc. So individuals will be used to map profile category of data. Suppose you have got Salesforce lead to Salesforce Data 360. You have a data stream getting leads to Data 360. You might store those leads in a leads object within Data 360. Similarly, you get contacts from data Salesforce and get it stored inside Data 360 contact object. Similarly, I am getting subscribers data from Salesforce Marketing Cloud engagement and storing them inside subscribers data model object in Data 360. So the common relation between these three kind of data model objects holding lead, contact and subscriber records is that all these records are of category profile, and profile categories will be used to unify the data. Suppose I came as a lead, further I got converted to a contact. My lead ID is different, my contact ID is different, but technically I have the same email address and I am the same entity. For marketing purpose, I got synced to Salesforce Marketing Cloud engagement. I became the subscriber. So now the same candidate having three different identities. In Data Cloud, we have to work on identity resolution rules so that we make sure that system understands that these three entities is exactly a single person. To do that, we have to work with identity resolution rules, and identity resolution rules we have to write on individual. So we will make sure that the lead data model object, the data in lead data model object, the data in contacts data model object, the data in subscriber data model object, the profile data is also mapped to individual. So individual holds all the profiles you store inside the Salesforce Data 360. Once you have mapped all the profiles to individuals, we can use individual object to write identity resolution matching rule sets and create those duplicate subscriber or individual profiles into a single unified individual profile. Data 360 has capability to unify the data. All the individual profiles like lead, contact, subscriber will be unified to a single unified individual profile with the help of identity resolution.